In this video, I'm going to show you where you can find your digital codes on Amazon. So all you need to do for this is go over to Amazon, of course, and then click on your account. So right there, your account, click on it, which will send you over here. You can scroll down and then you'll find digital content and devices. So in this list, you would then want to find digital games and software. So if that's what you're looking for, click on it. You can also go manage content and devices, but I'll go with this one. Now, once you click on this, you'll find a list of games or products you've bought on your Amazon account. I haven't bought anything like that on this Amazon account, but if you did, then this will show up over here. So somewhere on here, you'll find the product that you've bought, and you'll then also find the digital code. So that's pretty much where you can find it. So unfortunately, I cannot show you a real life example, but if you follow the steps in this video, you'll find out that it actually works, and you'll find your products right there with the codes. So yeah, if this simple video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like and let me know in the comments down below if it works and if the products are actually showing up, because they should. So yeah, that's it. Have a good day.